Hi guys, good day. I'm gonna share to you on how to download our certificates from Vibal. So last April, at the month of this year, yes, April 2020, during the quarantine time, we attended the seminars, the webinars for free. Okay, from Vibal. So now, how to get the certificates from Vibal? So now let's search it. Vibal group. Here is it. Vibal group. Yes, we're here. So the next, click the Vibal group page. So find the post regarding this claiming of certificates. So where is the certificate all about? Come here, also here. So that's magandang gabi teachers, maaari nyo nang i-download ang inyong certificates para sa araw na ito. So everyday you can download your certificates from Vibal. So pumunta lamang po sa site na ito. Then I click it already. So I just put my full name and was Baltasar, the email address, then generate. So here's the list of the certificates that I have. So, and the title of the topics that I have or they already attended. So here you just click this box. So yeah, and then download certificates. So it's processing here. Yes, it's processing here. Yeah. So it's downloading. So let's try to click an example of the certificates. So here, let's show all. So show in a folder. So here I have 9 webinars attended. So I just click the first one. So let's see. Alignment of different learning tasks to most essential learning competencies. So held on May 25, 2020. So that's the first thing that I have. Okay, the second one is the contextualized. Okay, so that's what we have, contextualized learning delivery modalities. So next is developing self-paced learning through digital content. That's the first week of my webinar activity. So that's it. Okay, so what else? Also attended the engaging learners through online assessment. So horizontal, yes. So horizontal integration of subject area competencies. And next is the how to plan a virtual classroom. Then next, online lesson planning, the basis for instruction. So certificate of participation. Transitioning to asynchronous learning. So that's all. Hi, thank you for watching. If you want to continue or to add another certificates, you can go to the Vibal group. They always uploading and updating the teachers or everyone who was interested in the different topic webinar. So tomorrow they're going to have a webinar again. So that is not only a certificate of attendance, but it's also a certificate of participation. So thank you, Vibal, for giving us a free certificates in webinar like this. So if you want to join again, so here you have also this. So tomorrow, today, it's May 28th, to 2 p.m. to 3:30 p.m. is the webinar of addressing the challenges in leading the school to online teaching and learning. The speaker is Miss Liza Macalinaw. So, all registered participants must subscribe to our YouTube channel, to their YouTube channel, to access the webinar and get their digital certificates. To subscribe, please go to Vibal's YouTube channel and please click subscribe. Digital certificates will send to your email after your webinar time slot. So that's very easy. Thank you, and good evening.